President William Ruto has once again told off his critics opposed to his administration, citing that they lack an alternative plan to grow the country's economy. Speaking with the launch of an off-grid solar access project in Endau Island, Lamu County, the president has explained that his opposers are focused on ethnic politics instead of conversations that unite the country.
Hawana sera, hawana mpango, hawana maono. Kazi yao ni ukabila, asubuhi, usiku, mchana, kugawanya watu. Mimi nataka niwaambie jameni, ndugu zangu watu wa Lamu, we must stay united, we must stay together. We are one people with one nation, with a common destiny, and we will succeed together.
Pearl Newsbeat.
The Ministry of Health has issued a directive to the Nairobi City County Government to immediately clean and sanitize the area around Stima Plaza following disruptions that have significantly impacted local businesses. Public Health and Professional Standards Principal Secretary Mary Mudhoni criticized the county's Public Health Department for failing to intervene earlier amid rising concerns that many enterprises not involved in the ongoing scuffle have been unfairly affected.
Anybody who passed through here got either infected or affected. It would be important that the county government, the director, the public health, director, to make sure that they come and clean up, because the stench is still here. Come and clean up, ensure that this place is sparkling clean. Equally, I would call upon the IG, please bring the culprits to book. Do thorough investigations, because this is criminal, and ensure the culprits are brought to book. NEMA, it is important that you enforce the laws as per your act. Ensure they are followed and ensure everything is left to book.
This as the Interior and National Administration Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen has confirmed the arrest of several Nairobi County officials responsible for dumping waste at Stima Plaza in Nairobi County in the Ampers, pitting KPLC and City Hall over billions of shillings in accrued debt. CS Murkomen has also revealed that several Nairobi County garbage trucks are currently being held as part of the ongoing investigations.
We actually condemn that behavior in the highest terms possible. I don't know even the words I can be able to use. I mean, the county government of Nairobi has the responsibility of keeping everybody in Nairobi safe. They have also a very important responsibility of public health, of making sure that we are living in a country that is safe from diseases. You know, you come and dump waste so that people can get diseases like cholera and so forth. That was totally uncouth. It's uncalled for. It is unacceptable.
And following the disappearance of up to 20 Kenyans in last weekend's deadly attacks in Todonyang along the Kenya-Ethiopia border, Murkomen has revealed that such operations are still on with more enforcement deployed.
Zaidi ya watu 20. Jana nilienda Todonyang, tukakuwa na mkutano na tukaweka mpango kabambe ya kuhakikisha kwamba tunawasiliana na Ethiopia. Tuesday niliporudi hapa Nairobi, tulikuja kufanya mambo ya diplomasia ya kuongelesha serikali ya Ethiopia kutusaidia. Na kwa sababu ya hiyo kazi hiyo, Jumanne usiku timu yenye niliwache Todonyang iliweza kukutana na serikali ndogo ya upande wa Ethiopia na kukubaliana jana watafanya ile msako. Walifanya msako jana toka saa 8 afternoon. Kama vile niliandika katika taarifa kwa media houses ni kwamba miili 2 ilipatikana na postmortem imefanywa, burial imefanyika kwa wale hao wawili ambao miili zao zilipatikana.
Pearl Newsbeat.
Meanwhile, the Council of Governors has expressed concern about what it termed as a KPLC history of unexpected and unchecked power outages, which have severely disrupted critical county services. According to the COG, over the last decade, KPLC has repeatedly cut power to critical public institutions such as hospitals, water installations, and sewerage services. The council has cited multiple instances illustrating the dire impact of these disconnections. According to COG, Kisumu Kisumu District Hospital experienced a power outage in 2014, jeopardizing patient care despite protests from the then Director of Health, Dr. Juang. In March 2023, the Mombasa General Hospital went several days without power, posing serious risks to patients. Homa Bay Town's water intake services were disrupted in 2023 when a KPLC disconnection left residents without water for several days. Similarly, in September 2023, thousands of patients in Migori County facilities were left vulnerable due to power outages. Aside from public institutions, the COG said that private individuals and businesses have also suffered high bills and a lack of compensation for way leaves.
Pearl Newsbeat.
The High Court has overturned orders that had prevented the burial of Kenya Primary School Heads Association KEPSHA President Johnson Matheka Nzioka. The High Court has ordered Lee Funeral Home to release the body to the family after collecting DNA samples. This ruling allows the burial to take place as planned on February 28th, that is tomorrow, at his rural home in Machakos County. The court said that the petitioner did not prove her case or provide evidence of financial transactions indicating that the deceased was supporting her. The burial was temporarily halted after a woman went to court and claimed Nzioka was her father. In court documents, the woman said that her mother married the deceased through Kamba customary marriage. Following their marriage, they allegedly established their matrimonial home in Thika, where they resided for about 8 years. She claimed to have been born in 1997, and despite her parents' separation in 1999, Nzioka continued to financially and emotionally support her until his death. According to court documents, the plaintiff's father was killed in an accident on February 16th this year, and his body was preserved at the Lee Funeral Home in Nairobi. The woman said that she was shocked to learn that her father's burial was scheduled without her knowledge, and that she had been denied the opportunity to participate in the burial arrangements or read her tribute during the service. She had also sought a DNA test to be conducted at a government chemist under the supervision of representatives from both sides.
Pearl Newsbeat.
And across the borders, the top judge in the U.S. has given temporary backing to the Trump's administration's freeze on foreign aid payments. Supreme Court Chief Justice John Roberts' intervention came as the administration faced a midnight pay-to-pay contracts. Officials had argued that they could not process the payments within the time frame set by a lower court judge. Since coming to power in January, U.S. President Donald Trump has taken quick action to end many aid programs largely run by the U.S. Agency for International Development and placed most of its staff on administrative leave or sacked them. The Trump administration is seeking to shrink the federal workforce and cut costs in a drive led by Elon Musk. The billionaire Trump advisor asked millions of bureaucrats over the weekend to list their accomplishments from the past week, sparking fury amongst the workforce and disagreement with officials leading the departments.
Pearl Radio, the home of fresh and classic hits.